We're here in a 2010 to 2013 Lexus GX. We're about to make a game-changing difference by installing the Hamilton Upgrade Kit for CarPlay in Android Auto. We're going to add wireless and wired CarPlay in Android Auto right into the factory screen and preserve all original features as well. You can see your original navigation as well as climate control. Long holding the voice speech button for 3 seconds will switch between the original Lexus system and the new Hamilton system. You won't lose any features with our kit. Shifting to reverse will bring up your original backup camera, and back to park brings you right back to CarPlay, just like a brand new car. This system will preserve your original steering wheel controls and every feature of the vehicle. Backed by a 3-year warranty, designed with the highest quality components, at Hamilton Motor Company, we make sure all of our components meet or exceed OEM Lexus Toyota standards. This means that we use gold-plated circuit boards, and we use only genuine brand name chips in every aspect of our products. I'm Dave with Hamilton Motor Company. We're grateful for your business. You can give a call and talk to me or one of my teammates at 919-858-2890. I'll see you in the next video.